The Nissan P0340 code indicates a malfunction in the camshaft position sensor circuit on bank 1. This means your vehicle's powertrain control module has detected an issue with the sensor's signal. The camshaft position sensor is either a Hall effect or magnetic reluctance sensor that monitors the camshaft's rotation. It works with a toothed reluctor ring to generate precise timing signals. This sensor data is crucial for fuel injection and ignition timing. The PCM uses these signals to precisely control engine performance and emissions. Now let's see where this sensor is located in your Nissan engine. The sensor is typically mounted near the camshaft, often in the cylinder head area. There are 5 main causes of P0340 codes. A faulty CMP sensor accounts for 45% of cases, making it the most common culprit. Wiring issues, including damaged connectors and broken wires, cause 25% of P0340 codes. These problems often result from corrosion or physical damage. Timing chain or belt problems account for 15% of cases. When timing components wear, they can affect sensor readings and trigger the P0340 code. PCM issues cause 10% of P0340 codes, while oil contamination accounts for the remaining 5%. Modern diagnostic tools help identify these specific causes quickly. Nissan has released technical service bulletins addressing P0340 issues in popular models like the Altima, Sentra, and Rogue, particularly for 2019 to 2024 model years. Advanced diagnostic tools now provide real-time monitoring capabilities. Diagnosing the P0340 code requires a systematic approach. We'll walk through the essential steps that lead to successful repair in 92% of cases. Start with an initial scan using an OBD2 scanner. Retrieve all diagnostic codes, not just the P0340, and record freeze frame data to understand when the fault occurred. Next, perform a thorough visual inspection. Check the camshaft position sensor, its wiring harness, and electrical connectors for obvious damage or corrosion. The electrical testing phase is critical. You need to verify 3 key measurements: 12 volts at the power supply, ground continuity less than 0.5 ohms, and check the signal wire for shorts or opens. Finally, monitor live data during engine operation. This reveals intermittent faults that static testing might miss. Watch for signal dropouts or irregular patterns. Once diagnosis is complete, you have 3 main repair options. The costs vary significantly, so proper diagnosis saves both time and money. Expert technicians recommend always checking wiring integrity before replacing the sensor. 30% of P0340 codes are actually wiring related, not sensor failures. Use an oscilloscope to verify signal quality, not just presence or absence of the signal.